Welcome to our tutorial on how to leave a private Snapchat story. Follow these steps to exit a private story on Snapchat. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Next, tap on the story icon located on the home screen to access the private story. If you wish to leave the private story without viewing its content, simply long press on the story. Now tap on Story Settings to reveal additional options for managing the story. Select the option Leave Story from the menu that appears on your screen. To confirm your decision to exit the private story, tap on Leave. By following these steps, you can easily navigate and customize your Snapchat experience by leaving private stories that no longer interest you. Thank you for watching this guide on how to leave a private Snapchat story. Enjoy more control over your Snapchat viewing preferences by efficiently leaving private stories as needed. Manage your Snapchat content with ease and tailor your viewing experience to suit your preferences. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your Snapchat usage.